Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a brand new Hotmail account, step by step. It's super simple and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head over to the Hotmail or Outlook sign-up page. Just type in outlook.com and click on Create Free Account. Next, choose your email address. You can use your first and last name or any combination you like. Make sure it's something you'll remember. Now, create a strong password. Include letters, numbers, and symbols. This keeps your account secure. After that, enter your first and last name and click Next. Then you'll add your country, birth date, and other details. Just follow along. It's straightforward. Then complete the verification step. You might have to enter a code sent to your phone or solve a simple CAPTCHA. This is just to make sure it's really you. Finally, click Next, and your Hotmail account is ready. Now you can explore your inbox, customize settings, and start sending emails. And that's it. You've successfully created your Hotmail account. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.